This is chapter 2D on the area of a triangle. In this chapter we have one skill, which is learning to calculate the area of a triangle. And to find the area of a triangle, we simply need to know one formula, which is your base. The area of a triangle is equal to your base times the height divided by 2. And here's the reason why. If you have a triangle and you stack two of the same triangles on top of one another, this makes a quadrilateral. And to find the area of a quadrilateral, you simply take your base times your height to find all that space on the inside, right? So if it's a triangle, we only want half of this. That's why we do base times height, which is the area of a rectangle, divided by 2 because we only want half. That is why the area of the triangle works. So at this time, go ahead and pause and try to do A and B. So for A, to find the area of this triangle, you would have to multiply 15 times 9 divided by 2. 15 times 9 gives you 135 divided by 2, which leads you into 67.5, or 67.5 meters squared. In the second example, keep in mind, even though this triangle is sloped, the height is still vertical. It always goes straight up and down because you need to always find the base and where it makes that perpendicular to touch the top of the triangle. So in this case, we would go 5 times 10 millimeters, divide that by 2. This makes 50 divided by 2, which turns out to be 25 millimeters squared. Now we have one more example, and in this case, the area of the triangle. So we're given the area of the triangle is 96 centimeters squared. So area is 96 centimeters squared. And I like to write information down, especially with word problems, to help me solve them along the way. Calculate the perpendicular height, meaning the height that goes straight up and down. So in this case, if you know what to do, pause. If not, just listen to my hint. Remember, to find the area, it's your base times your height divided by 2. So if we know it's 96 centimeters squared and we know that the base is 16 centimeters, what do we have to multiply it by and divide by 2? So we need to find that mystery number. So pause. So here we go. So we know area is 96 centimeters squared. We know that 16 times some number divided by 2 will give us 96. So first of all, if we know 96 is a result of dividing by 2, why don't we just double it? So let's do 96 times 2 to figure out what 16 times this mysterious number is. So 96 times 2 is 192 centimeters. So 16 times what number makes 192? So in this case, you can think about it, or you can simply just do your division. Now, division is different depending on where you are in the world. I will go ahead and set mine up my standard way. And I will do short division. So 16 into 19 is once. I have 3 remaining. 16 goes into 32 twice. And I have no remainders. So therefore, the mysterious missing number is 12. So the height is 12, and because it's a measurement, one dimension, centimeters, and that's it, because our area was squared, centimeters squared. And that's it.